very excited to bring our next roaster to the stage. I do believe that she is the actual hero of the story. And she was also the originator of every YouTube comment you've ever read. Please welcome to the stage Hermione Granger.
You are now 0 for 12 on jokes.
I paid her to be here. Shut the fuck up. Hello. So, you know, I guess it's a good thing to be written in as a smart one and blah, 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 blah. But guess what? I fucked everybody, okay? I don't fucking care, and I'm here to tell you all the details. Starting with Harry Potter, give it up for my friend. Harry has a soft spot for house elves. It's called his asshole. I remember walking in on you and Dobby that one time. It wasn't pleasant. My pussy might as well be a Horcrux because he's destroyed it so many times. I do think of Harry every time my husband, Ron, takes off his shirt because of his lightning bolt stretch marks. It's not going well.
Ron, you got those? You got those?
Yeah. I'm real pale, you know.
It's not from paleness, Ron.
Snacky.
Dumbledore, a.k.a. Discount Gandalf. TJ Maxx Magellan, how are you? You know, Professor McGonagall should be named Professor McGonagall because you teabagged her when she got hired. I don't know. Second teabag joke in a row. We're doing good.
Too twisted.
He's not gay. He fucks everyone, is what I'm saying. She didn't like that one. She nearly had this Nick. That didn't happen from him getting beheaded. It happened because Dumbledore was trying to skull fuck him too. You're not gonna like the rest of these. Snape. Slither in where you can get it in, am I right? Here's my impression of Snape. Okay. Here's my impression of Snape if he was playing Mrs. Doubtfire. Hello. Roasted! Hardcore with the roasting, not holding back here. At least I'm trying a fucking accent. Okay. Oh boy, this one's... Malfoy, Draco Malfoy, the bad boy, or should I say the proud boy. He's definitely a Nazi, let's just look at it. He's for sure 1000% a Nazi. His Patronus is that car that killed that woman in Charlottesville.
Make Hogwarts great again!
No, I don't want Voldemort to like it. Oh, Voldemort, you know. A lot of people say if they had a time turner, they'd go back in time and kill Voldemort, obviously. I'd go back and fuck him, right? Talk about fines. I didn't also know that there was 2 fines. I thought it was the same one that's in Handmaid's Tale. So, thanks for telling me about that.
He's way hotter.
Which one?
Joseph the Younger.
Oh, yeah, okay. We'll watch it later so we can have sex. Voldemort, Michael Jackson called, he wants his slits back. His nose, it meant his nose. That was so fucking creepy. I definitely wrote enough jokes, so not stalling for time. Does anybody have any questions? Before I get to my lovely husband, does anybody, the first time she's not talked, so I guess she has nothing to say now. All right, Ron Weasley, let's all admit it. Ron, I am so much fucking hotter than you. What the fuck? This is so gross. I have to tell you something. I've been letting Neville Longbottom into my Chamber of Secrets for years, all right? I told you I fucked everyone, yes, and you. They should call him Neville Longfront. The kid's got a basilisk in his pants. All right, that's it for me.